Good afternoon, everyone. Mount Olympus, home of the gods. This is what this is. Look at that. That's the bottom half. And the top. I wish I could give you the whole screen at once, but I cannot. We'll go side by side. Look at that. It's amazing. Just wanted to share how beautiful it was. Look at that. Wow. It's like got a... What? A planet? It's not a planet, but it's like the simulator has a tumor. Yeah, I'm going to change positions on this. Look at that. That's amazing. The planes are going overhead, or I would give you a bigger screen, but they'll jam my connection. Wow, look at that. That's kind of cool looking, but yeah, that's a wide swath of array. Very, very cool looking. I've decided to do it for a few minutes like this because I'm going to lose connection. I just wanted you to see the full picture of what it looks like. And we are leaving Mount Olympus. Okay, here comes the plane. I don't know if you can hear it. What an annoyance. Look at the rainbow colors in that. That's an amazing sight, isn't it? Alright, I'm going to go. Thank you so much for dropping by. Have a good afternoon.